Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. I make a pumpkin latte. It is that time of the season. It's my favorite time of the year, and I would like to show you guys how I make my pumpkin latte from scratch. So let's get the coffee ready, and then we can go to the stove, put that on, and then I can show you guys the other ingredients, what you guys need. So you need 1 cup of milk of your choice, the pumpkin puree, the sugar, and then the pumpkin spice seasoning. If you want to make your own, you can. But that's everything there that you would need for this recipe. So you're gonna pour your cup of milk in, and you want to watch it and just keep stirring it so it doesn't like overheat and bubble up. And add vanilla in it and some maple syrup. So and then you want to turn down the heat on it so the milk doesn't burn. And just stir in the pumpkin puree. Go a little bit, and then we're gonna add in the vanilla and the sugar. That smells so good in between this cooking and the coffee. Oh my god, it's so good. And you can pick any coffee of your choice that you would want to use. I use whole milk when I'm doing this. For me, it tastes better than almond milk or coconut milk or oat milk. Doesn't taste the same. And then you want to put in your pumpkin pie spice here. Again, I use this a half of a teaspoon, but it's your choice on your taste what you would like to add in. Some people just don't even like pumpkin spice. So this is what it looks like. And then you want to add in your coffee. And then you just want to stir. Okay, so let's get the and if you want to top it off, you get some wood. Let's put some cinnamon on top of that. Sprinkle it with some cinnamon. Okay. All done. I am going to sit down and do some work now, and then I will get back with you guys a little bit later. I want to do some fall decoration. I got in some new stuff, so I want to do that. And make something for lunch, maybe a salad. So I will catch back up with you guys a little bit later and pick up from there when I get started on doing the fall decorations. Some time later, I had to run out to the post office and to pick up some packages. So I'm really getting leftover from last night's dinner. So we're just going to take a couple of pieces and cut it up. outside and cold. Perfect present. So in this vlog, I want to do a few days in my life. So we're gonna do that, and
so bright and gray behind an empty space. Can't always tell what you're thinking, but now it ain't the same. On and on we said with us forever. To the moon, but you never do.
think that series is awesome. Stallone in that he's freaking amazing in that.
Yeah. I don't like those type of movies.
But you like Mobland. That don't make no sense. So it's Tulsa King is just like Mobland.
It's just like Mobland?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
He's a mobster that comes out of jail, right, after serving 25 years for a murder that he didn't commit to cover for his boss.
Mm-hmm.
And they basically exile him to Tulsa, and he starts making money. And then all stuff starts to happen. I'm telling you, you like it.
Okay, we're gonna watch one series of it tonight.
Okay, all right. I think it's awesome. And then he.
Lost in your gaze, lost in wonder. Your eyes like starlight, pulling me in this crowded room. Our dance begins. You're the only one, the rhythm of my heart. The world can be cold. You're lost in your gaze, lost in wonder. Your eyes like starlight, pulling me in this crowded room. Our dance begins. You're the only one, the rhythm of my heart. The world can be cold. You're my work of art, every note, a melody so sweet. Play it again, a fur of my as we stand here now, with
Is it possible to get some sweetener? Can I make it like a vanilla latte?
Vanilla, yeah.
Can I get the
Anything else?
1
iced
second.
pumpkin spice?
Ice pumpkin spice. Oh, you and this ice pumpkin spice. Grande, please.
Yeah. Would you like
Um,
any whipped cream on top?
No, no,
no whipped cream.
No whipped cream, yeah. Please make your way to the window. Thank you.
All right.
you didn't want one of the breads?
I was
one of
looking
the sandwiches?
at yeah. I was thinking of maybe getting like a
I'll get a ham and cheese sandwich.
Let's get a ham and cheese. Let's ask them if they can do it.
Or the signature toast.
Let's do that.
What comes on a signature toaster?
I
You
have
have
no
to
idea.
ask them.
Is this not this one? What, this one? Okay. Did I pass it, honey? I passed it, didn't I?
Yeah, you back up.
Well, there was nobody at the window. My bad.
I'm not a big Starbucks fan at all. When they first came out, like I kind of like their stuff, but I find their coffee is like
Bland. It comes like Subway. All sandwiches taste the same.
same. Yeah. What about you guys? You guys like Starbucks? Drop it in the comments below. Who's a Starbucks fan? I prefer to go to the smaller cafes. I find their coffee tends to be really good, even though I stopped drinking coffee about what, Han? About 2 years now? A year now? That I stopped drinking coffee?
I would say that you've been much more relaxed.
Yeah. Yeah, I stopped drinking coffee because I find it gives me really high anxiety. So I'm a matcha girl now.
Matcha, matcha, matcha.
So we will get a coffee today.
And hopefully a toast.
Well, it's a ice latte, pumpkin spice.
Oh shit, is that me? That's me. Can I get your attention for a minute?
He was just so quick to just like, okay, go to the window.
Yeah. It's like these people have no idea what they want.
He didn't even say like, do you want something else?
Okay. Honey, I'm trying my... I know... I was trying to ask him if we could get like 2 little toasties.
2 of them?
Yeah.
2 toasties.
What ones?
The signature?
Cheese or ham and cheese?
Ham and cheese.
2 ham and cheese toasties.
Please. You did ask for no whipped cream, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's whipped cream on it.
Okay, well, just let her know. I asked for no whipped cream.
No. We did tell him no whipped cream on the pumpkin spice.
Sorry, that's actually my fault.
Alright. Look, bitch. Look up there. Look.
What?
Old plane coming over. Can you see it?
I kind of thought that was a bird.
That's a big
bird
ass
from-
bird, babes. You see that? And it's got a prop on
But
it.
that's what kind of like scared me. I was like, wait, is that a bird?
It's having difficulty though.
Oh, well, it's kind of windy.
Yeah.
Probably. Are we going to catch the train and back? When in time?
Yeah.
Going on a little road trip today. And then we're going to take the train back when we drop off the rental car.
Yes, please.
If you just pop round to this lay-by, I'll
Yeah.
bring your toasties for
Thank you very much.
And there's your vanilla latte.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you need a receipt?
No, that's alright. Thank you.
Okay, babe, you can put yours right there.
That's a nice little chill out area right there.
How's your coffee, Han?
I did ask for a little sweetener, didn't I? Woo!
They didn't give you any?
Oh, they gave me some.
Okay, so how am I supposed to put a straw in here?
Very carefully.
It's too big. Okay, let's try this, guys. I don't know, I just do not like Starbucks. Their coffee is... It's okay, I can drink it, but I'm not a fan of it.
I wonder if I should use the back.
We're journey to the train station. We're on our journey back home on the train. Are you excited, honey? Fingers crossed.
Please allow passengers to exit out of the train first. Before boarding, this is a fire service. This train will be the last stop you leave for the train. Will you leave behind? Show you guys my skincare routine for nighttime. It's pretty simple. I don't do anything big because I have sensitive skin, so I don't put a lot of products on my face. First thing I do is I put a mist on my face. And then I usually let that dry for 2 minutes, and then when that dries, then I would put on my next product. Puts on I will have the link down below for all of these things. I like to run them down my neck. I like to massage them really good into my skin. And then this is the last thing that I put on my face at night, which is a moisturizing cream. whatever is left on my hands, I just rub into my hands, because if it's good for your face, it's definitely going to be really nice for your hands also. So that can work into my nails. Okay, so that's it. That's all I use on my face every night. I alternate in between the retinol, which is every other night I would use that. If you would like for me to show you my retinol routine, let me know in the comments below, and then I can show you guys those products also that I use for that particular night, because that's different products that I use when I use the retinol. Okay, a lip balm. Put on my lips afterwards. And that's it. That's my look.
Yes.
Big meal for a big man.
Yes.
Let's go to Home Bargains. So cute. Look at that. Oh, the little mushrooms are open. Basket. That's nice. I love those. Oh, that's a nice wheat cubes. $9. Sorry. Yeah. You want to get that? That is you? Yeah.
Stop it now, I'm too hot.
I would need a bee. These are really pretty.
Honey, look at this.
Honey, look, this for you.
This is what I'm saying. Like, look. Oh, actually, let's do this. I'm gonna run around outside for about 2 seconds with these on.
Okay, I want Halloween pajamas.
You should have got a dog bag.
You, honey.
I'm asking, what do you think?
They have the Halloween doormat, but I'm not looking for the Halloween doormat. I'm looking for the fall doormat. I'm not decorating for Halloween, honey.
Okay, you're not helping me. You're not helping me.
You want me to help you? And then I'm in that.
Wait a minute. Why do I have to be the one wearing all the skimpy shit? Shouldn't you be wearing the skimpy stuff?
Do you think that would fit my butt? Yeah?
Do I have to answer?
Yes?
It may be a little snug.
You think so?
It might actually fit though, honey.
All right, let's ask if we could bring it back if it doesn't fit. Because I don't think it's another size here. Oh, he's gonna love this. Oh, and then a little pencil. The pen for him.
That's a hefty pen.
You should get one of those. Want one?
No. Thanks. Does this look familiar?
Do you want me to have like nightmares?
Can you imagine waking up and seeing this?
Do you know that I be thinking about that all the time? Yeah. That's what happened to me when the first night we was there, remember?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Smell what this smells like.
Can I tell you I'm feeling very sick?
This smells really good. I like this. $2? This is pumpkin. So I'm gonna get that one. Oh, this one smells bad. This one's kind of more like Christmassy. This green one. So let's get this one. Yesterday. To put by the thing, honey. The fireplace.
Oh yeah.
This would actually be really nice and up with the fireplace. That on top of the fireplace, and then that down by the bottom.
Because I think the ones on the shelf, the two bigger ones at 30.
I've seen too many horror movies.
Yeah.
Ever seen Chucky?
Okay.
Come here, little boy. Here's a sleepover set. We need to get a couple of those in case one of my friends comes over.
They have such a big Christmas section. Oh, that would be pretty for the front door. You don't think those would be really pretty for the front door?
Yeah, we just picked up one already, don't we?
This is, oh, honey, that's Christmas.
Put a red ribbon on that one, and it's Christmas. She agrees with me.
No, I never said that.
Oh, I'm gonna shut up then.
Sorry, am I in your way?
No, you're good. You're fine.
Look good.
See, look, you put the red things
Well,
in
I
it.
like this thing.
Be economic.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
I'd give it.
Trying to be economical.
Yeah.
I like the little trees up top there. You could probably put one on my desk.
Oh, the small one would probably be better on your desk.
Yeah. Oh, there's the hooks.
I don't think that one would work. I think
Oh, you need the stick one. The
the
sticky
metal
one.
one, if we can find that somewhere. Those are nice for the Christmas tree.
Is that Stevie Wonder? Okay, shake it, don't break it. Oh, they got proteins and stuff. Huh? Oh, I'm so scared.
You are?
Yep, I need to use the bathroom right now because of that. Wait. See, they got all the
Those inside.
yeah
What do you need?
a protein. Remember, we're almost out of protein, right? No, just protein, like protein shake.
Okay. Do you think that one is the down there?
Colors of white and gray behind an empty space. Can't always tell what you're thinking, but now it ain't the same.
Mama, aren't you excited about going outside, Papa? Iris.
I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill, but truth can be a bitter pill.